traders, welcome to another video from RLTA Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow after such a volatile day. So let me begin with saying this, that I understand that a lot of you guys were hoping that the market will hit an all-time high today. It just did, but it came down very, very fast. Remember, our expectations are the reasons why we make losses. Okay, it's not that nobody makes losses in this business, but you should always remember the losses are a part of the game. All right, so accept that, move on, and it should be fine. Today, we did not make any trades in our live trading forum, both on stock options and Bank Nifty options, because we are holding, severe positions on, specific selected stocks, which are about to be breaking, breaking, my apologies, breaking their crucial line of resistance. So is it good not to make such trades? I think sometimes it is. Okay, it is. Is it mandatory that you trade every day and make money? No. Okay, so please remember that these 2 cents of mine will take you on a very long journey and will give you enough courage to go ahead and make a lot of money forward. So with all that jazz that I've just told you right now, let me just tell you what you need to look out for. Now, there is a rising wedge over here in Nifty. Okay, there is highly likely a possibility that this trend line will become a very, very big crucial point for Nifty to just squeeze itself. So I'm expecting a big move. I'm still expecting an up move, and this up move will go ahead to put all the bears back to the cleaners. So please remember that if this trend line is broken is when you will open your short positions, but after one swing is taken out by another. So that means that if there is a cut that you would have over here, you will then wait for it to go for a target on the one below. And if you're able to scalp this, then you go to the next one. So don't expect large targets on the put side, but if this line is broken and this level of 15,716 is broken, then you will get 40 points over there. And then if it stretches itself, you will get another 100 points. So remember, this is the only downside I see on a recent time. So if we are going on an upward journey, then the upward journey is going to be very spectacular, and we might reach 15,852 tomorrow, and that might be the way how this rising wedge is forming. Now, on the contrary, what is happening with Bank Nifty is that today we were about to take a trade over here. We started our live trading forum at 12 o'clock, and I told my people not to short at this particular candle. Now, nobody would have told you not to short here, but it was going down. Everybody thought it would break, but I stopped my people. I told them that there are certain levels that we need to keep in mind. Now, of course, this rally over here till this particular point of time was missed, but I told them that I have no conviction today, so let's not trade. So they listened to me. They saved their capital. That's what you need to do. When you don't know what the hell is happening here, remember, it is good to wait for now. So the most important line that I have over here for the moment, and this would be the most critical point for the entire index, is that 35,200 has to be broken tomorrow. And if that is done, then there is going to be an easy target that you're going to have until the highs over here for 35,549 tomorrow. But this has to be broken in the first 1 hour of the session, and the market has to sustain below 35,200, then it is going to go. But there is also a very deep scenario here. If Bank Nifty takes out all these levels from 35,000 till 35,083 till 34,919, if it takes out all this level, then ladies and gentlemen, we will come into the bear territory, and we can look for larger targets below. And that larger targets are going to be pretty fascinating. So I don't think they are going to do such drama on a Wednesday, but they most likely can, because IV is down, and as well as the premiums are down, so they can move it on any particular figure. But remember, your open position on the put side should be below 34,925, and on an upside should be about 35,206. These are very crucial and very important levels, so keep that in mind. I hope my analysis helps you. If you have further questions, please put them onto the comment box. If you want to go ahead and track our progress, please join the Telegram channel that is being listed below. And if you want to join our live trading forum, do visit www.rltagroup.com, and we'll see you on another session there. Thank you. Love you all. Jai Hind. Take care. We'll see you once again tomorrow. Bye bye for now.